If you love pecan pie but not all of the calories, you will love these Pecan Pie Bites. Not necessarily the prettiest looking snack, but the caramely crunchy taste is so rich and satisfying, it might just be your new favorite fall dessert or snack. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. This is barely a recipe, but it's one of my favorite pre-workout snacks, so I had to share it, and I'm determined to get people loving dates. I know they look like prunes, but they taste like nature's caramel. For one serving, take 2 large dates and carefully split the date halfway from one side to the other to create a pocket. Make sure you remove the pit inside because that's not good eating. Now take 2 pecan halves and place them inside of the date, essentially re-pitting them, but with deliciousness that you can eat. People use these ingredients with a few add-ins to make their own homemade snack bars, but I like them straight up because all you really care about is a simple pecan pie-like taste. Pecan Pie Bites are nature's way of saying, "Hello, I taste good without added sugar too, you know." They're a great way of satisfying a sweet tooth, and if you want to reduce your mood from hangry to happy, which is good for you and everyone around you. You can keep them on hand as a great snack for adults and kids alike. Once you pick one up, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. For other healthy recipes, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.